Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to do chapter number 5, exponents. Exercise 5.1. Okay, so question number 6a, it says you have to find the value of minus 5 to the power 3 multiply 2 to the power 2. Okay, so minus 5 to the power 3 means you have to multiply minus 5 3 times. So that will be minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, that will give you minus 125. And 2 to the power 2, it means 2 multiply 2, you have to multiply 2 times. So that will give you 4. Now you multiply 125 with 4, that will give you minus 500. This is your answer. Next question, similar manner again. Minus 2 to the power 3 multiply 10 square means 10 to the power 2. So minus 2 to the power 3. Minus 2 to the power 3 is equals to minus 8. Okay. And 10 square, that is 100. So that will again give you minus 800. Now minus 3 to the power 3 multiply minus 2 to the power 3. So minus 3 will be multiplied 3 times, that will give you minus 27. And minus 2 multiplied 3 times will give you minus 8. So minus 27 into minus 8, that will give you 216. One thing notice students, minus and minus here, two negative signs are there, so the answer will be in positive. Okay, and whenever the power is an odd number, the answer will always be negative. So minus 3 to the power 3 is minus 27. Okay, if it was minus 3 to the power 2, so the answer would have been 9, not minus 9, because we are multiplying minus 3 2 times. Okay, so whenever the power is odd number, so the answer will be negative. Whenever the power is even number, the answer will be positive. Then question number 7, it says you have to find the answer in exponents. So the number is given. Firstly, you have to find the answer by prime factorization. So you have to do the prime factorization. So 2 1s are 2, 0 0. Then again 2 5s are 10, 2 50s are 100. Now 2 25s are 50, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now you can write it as 2 is multiplied 3 times and 5 is multiplied 2 times. So you can write it as 2 to the power 3 multiplied 5 to the power 2. Again 1 1 2 5 you have to do in a similar manner. Okay, with the table of 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 4s are 20. So here 2 is left, so it will be added to this, so it will become 25. So 5 5s are 25. Now 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So again you can write, here you can see 5 is multiplied 3 times. So answer will be 5 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. Next is you have to write the answer of 3,125 in terms of 5. Okay, so you have to just find the answer by solving with the help of 5 only. So 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 3 then again 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Okay, this is not there, so it is nothing. So here how many times 5 we have multiplied? We have multiplied 5 times, so that's why the answer will be 5 to the power 5. Okay, question number 11, you have to solve this out. So for solving, we have to remember the laws that we have done. Okay, so here 2 by 5 whole to the power 4, it means 2 also has the power 4, 5 also has the power 4. So we'll write 2 to the power 4 by 5 to the power 4 multiply 15. In the smallest factor you can write 3 into 5 is 15. So you'll write 3 into 5 whole to the power 2, means both have power 2. And in the denominator 8 we can write it in the power of 2. So it will be 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 is outside. So we'll write 2. Then minus 5 we can write it as minus 1 into 5 and 3. Okay, now we can see here also there is 5, here also there is 5, here also there is 5. 3 is here, 3 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. Now we will just solve the same numbers. So first of all, see the powers. 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, minus 1 is separately, 5 is written separately. Now in the denominator, 5 to the power 4, 3 multiplied 2 is 6, so 2 to the power 6 and 3. Now here 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 6 are divided. Divide means subtraction, so you have to subtract. So 2 to the power 4 minus 6 multiply 3 to the power 2. Here there is 1, there is nothing in the power, it means there is 1. So 3 to the power 1. So 3 to the power 2 minus 1 multiply 5 to the power 2 Here there is nothing in the power, it means 1. So you'll add plus 1 because multiply means plus. And again divided 4. So it will be minus 4. And minus 1 will be written as it is. Now after solving this, you will get 2 to the power minus 2, 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power minus 1, multiply minus 1. Now solve this out. Here you can see this is the negative power and this also has a negative power. So whatever has the negative power will come in the denominator. So this will become minus 3. 3 into minus 1 will become minus 3. So minus 3 by 2 2s are 4. So 4 and 5. So 4 5. So the answer will be minus 3 upon 20. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.